Today I'm gonna talk about the delegation from freshbooks.com. Delegation task 5 tips for effective delegation. They talk about how to three big topic, why we need to delegate and how we delegate effectively and how to monitor a delegated task. I will start with why do managers need to delegate? The delegation is a leadership skill that small business owner must learn. It helps them stay on top of their works and allow team members to learn new skills and take ownership of their tasks. So delegation doesn't mean assigning tasks to employees. It entails assigning responsibility for outcome along with the authority to do what is needed to produce the desired result. There is some reason why managers should delegate tasks. It will help you save time and concentrate on your work. Some of tasks that might not more prioritized, you can delegate to your members team. And the next one is it allows your employee to take on new challenges and builds their confidence. This allows your team to improve that they have the skill to work with you. And the next one, it shows your employee that you trust them to get the job done and enhances your credibility as a leader. When you let them do something, they will trust you since you trust them to do it. And you are tackling too many things in the same time which are affecting your work and health. Delegations help in fostering a collaborative work environment where everyone works towards a common goal. And the next big topic is how to delegate effectively. Number one, map out your plans. Before you can start delegating, take the time to develop a plan that outlines exactly what you are expecting. Unless your employees get clear direction, they won't be able to deliver the result that you want. This is only possible when you are thought about the task and your expectations regarding its completion. Number two, assign the tasks. Create a list of tasks that your employees are currently working on and assess the strength and weakness of the employees carrying out the task. This will help you delegate tasks based on the employee's specialized skills and attributes. Assign the right task to the right one. Number three, educate your employee. Do your employers understand what you expect from them? Be patient, explain the task in detail and make sure that the employees understand all the aspects of what is required from them. In some instances, you might need to document the requirements and responsibility. Therefore, foster ownership and responsibility. Your employees should be completely responsible and committed to getting the expected results, and their overall goals are aligned to yours. Number five, A key part of number 5, communication and accountability. A key part of delegating is an open line of communication and accountability. Employees must communicate the status of the deliverable and its timing regularly. You should also be available for clarification on certain points. Regular check-ins, weekly written status report about progress ensure timely delivery and helps in avoiding last-minute surprises. The reports should outline the tasks completed last week, plan for next week, and potential issues that may arise. When a person does a task well, don't forget to express gratitude and reward the employee's performance. This is all of the topic how to delegate effectively, map out your plan, assign the tasks, educate your employees, foster ownership and responsibility, and the last one is communication and accountability. And the big final topic were about how to monitor delegated tasks. After you assign a task to your employee, you need to monitor it follow your expect. The secret to effective delegation is a follow-up. The secret to effective delegation is a follow-up. When you decide to put someone in charge of a project, it's your job to make sure that they complete it on time. While you should give employees spaces to work independently, it's also important to keep track of delegation tasks. To monitor your delegate tasks, you must do this. Number 1, clarify the project deadline and milestone in advance and confirm their commitment. Make sure you both understand in the same thing. Number 2, use collaboration technology such as Google Docs, Slack, or Basecamp. Number 3, hold weekly meeting to review what has been accomplished and discuss what has to be done. You need to catch up your current project status. And number 4, encourage employees to ask questions and be available when they need. 4th thing, clarify the project, collaborate, keep meeting weekly, and encourage employee. The more you do it, the faster your delegation process becomes. Once you master the delegation skill and made it integral part of your managerial DNA, you will consistently reap exceptional results. That's all of the delegation tasks. 5 tips for effective delegation. I will recap again. Why do managers need to delegate and how to delegate effectively, such as make out your plans, assign the tasks, educate your employee, foster ownership and responsible communication and accountability, and how to monitor delegates tasks, clarify the project, collaborate, keep meeting weekly, and encourage employee. Thanks for today.